We are looking at financial technologies wherein the shares, after plunging 72% last week, have recovered almost 35% in today's trading session. And this is largely to do with the fact that NSEL has come out with a press release on Sunday, which clearly mentioned the kind of stagger payment that the company would be doing to the broker members as well as the investors who will get the payments from the counterparties. However, some kind of ambiguity still remains because almost 8 members wherein the dues are close to 2100 crores, they have agreed to pay the dues on the settlement dates, whereas majority portion, almost 13 to 15 counterparties have agreed to pay only 5% per week in terms of settlement. They are facing some kind of cash crunch, and this is what is agreed upon prima facie, but still we are looking at some kind of clarity because the news reports have been suggesting that the castor seed stock has been overstated. We have Jeera, which has stock in Unjha, Gujarat, has been overstated. We are also looking at the investor protection fund, or rather the trade guarantee fund, which was 800 crores, which was claimed by the company last week. But today, as per fresh disclosure that they have made to the Forward Market Commission, they say that the guarantee fund is only 65 crore rupees. So more kind of clarity is required on these fronts, the basic parameters. Of course, we'll get you some details in few moments from now from the press conference live, wherein Jignesh Shah, the chairman and managing director of Financial Technologies, would provide more clarity on the NSEL settlements as well as clearances of dues.
And what's that like over there? Apart from reporters, have some of the broker members also come there? Because now that the new details are emerging of a depleted guarantee fund and other commodities also being overstated, there's perhaps some amount of uncertainty among the member brokers as well. What are you gathering in your chats with these member brokers?
Well, clearly, Ajay, there has been concern with the broker members because they were expecting some kind of a pro rata kind of a settlement. They were expecting that the settlements will not be pooled, which means that if you are a castor counterparty and if you are paying to the castor buyer seller, that would be fair. But it would not be fair for a castor trader to pay it to the sugar trader as well as the wool cotton party. So these guys are trying to pool the entire settlement versus what earlier was perceived that the castor trader will pay the castor investor. That is not the case. They are trying to pool the entire money in one single account and then paying it on a pro rata basis to all the members. So, this situation is quite dicey. We need some kind of management clarity. Of course, the broker members have been worried after the fresh data points that have come in on Saturday, Sunday. Most of them would be meeting the FT management Monday evening, which is today evening after the press conference to get more clarity. Of course, these guys have also been, generous enough to give press release on a timely manner to such investors as well as broker members. But still, the worry is still on the broker side, wherein large exposures have been found out, and still there is no risk management system in place. So surely the broker members are worried, and some of them are present here in the press conference as well.